I got a comment on the OpenAI video recently pointing out that the file could be a lot more useful if multiple questions were supported in the file. I agree, so I went ahead and added that into the file. So let's take a look. In the previous file, in the old video, we had this question tab where you could type your question in here and hit ask. After you hit ask, then the API would go out to OpenAI, ask that question, and return an answer. Now I added in a new tab, this multiple questions tab, where you can add in multiple questions here down through this table, hit ask, and you'll get your answers returned here. So let's take a look. Some questions or prompts. Sell me this pen. Convince me to buy a car in this market. What is the meaning of life? Let's do questions. 3 questions. Hit ask. It'll go out, take those questions or prompts to OpenAI, and then takes a little bit longer than the single question typically, since 3 are going out. And answers will get returned right here. Time answered gets spilled into this column as well. When you want to ask a new question, you can clear out the whole thing if you want, or you can just write over your old questions. So if you wanted to ask a couple new things, then we could do that. We could say, what time is it in Tokyo? What's the best country? And let's see what happens when you leave this one blank. I believe we'll just get a blank here in this answer. Great. That looks like it works. So take a look at that new file. Maybe it's helpful for some of you who want to ask multiple questions at a time. Let me know what you think. And if you liked this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.